In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view Google Chrome's saved passwords and prevent others from peeking. To view your Google Chrome's saved password, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the browser window to open the window. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings tab, navigate to Autofill and then click on Passwords. Within the password settings, you can access the Google Password Manager. Alternatively, you can directly navigate to Chrome/Password Manager Passwords in your browser. The Password Manager displays a list of all website login details you've saved. Each entry includes a website's URL, username, and a password field masked by dots. To view saved password, just click on the eye icon located next to the masked password field. Enter your PIN, and once authenticated, Chrome will reveal the password to you. Some quick tips to strengthen your Chrome password security is: use a strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication on every website you sign into, and consider a third-party password managers. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.